Well, you noticed, breathing kind of heavy. Here on set, the Glock Brothers. Scoot, he's out and about, and, doing a video for, my channel. And, put a lot of weird stuff on here. If I'm breathing really heavy, consider that normal. This is the kinds of things you're gonna find on this channel. All different kinds of things. Glock Brothers extras. Random stuff about Bruce Willis. Maybe some Christopher Walken. A guy. Glock Brothers. You know, I've been in a movie or two before. I want you to know. And I don't even know. Let's be nice to one another on YouTube, and let's go look at the Glock Brothers. They've done a lot of good things on the channel, and I want you to know I'm not just a Glock brother, I'm also a Glock Brothers subscriber. And you might want to do the same. In fact, many of you have already subscribed to the Glock Brothers. It's good. It's good stuff. It's good for you, man. So, I don't know what else I need to tell you. You understand? Do ya? I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know.